Hi guys, today we are going to see how to make a free logo in 7 simple steps. After watching this tutorial you can make logo like these. Once you complete it, you will be getting all files in mail. You can download it, and you can use them in print like these. Okay, let's get started. We are going to make a free logo in 7 steps. Step 1, which is to create an account in Hatchful. So to create an account, let's click the link below this video, and it will take you to this page, which is going to help us to make a logo for free. Now just click sign up. In order to complete creating your account, just fill up these details. And click sign up. Now, here we can see our mail address here. This means we have successfully created our account in Hatchful. Once you have created the account, we can now go to the next step. Step 2, which is to choose your category. So to choose your category, let's click here. Now you get this page. Here we need to choose one category. Now choose your category. I am going to choose this. And click next. Once you have chosen the category, we can now go to the next step. Step 3, which is to select the style you like. So to select your style, let's scroll down to see the styles. Now, we need to select 3 styles. Just select the styles that you like. I am going to select these. And click next. Once you have selected the style, we can now go to the next step. Step 4, which is to add your logo name. So to add your logo name, let's go here. Now we need to enter our logo name and slogan. Just type your logo name and slogan. I am going to enter the name Fresh Oven. Slogan as Baked with Love. And click next. And your logo name and slogan will be added. Once you have entered the logo name, we can now go to the next step. Step 5 is to choose the places where you will use the logo. So to choose the place, let's go here. Now we need to choose the place. Now choose your place. I am going to choose all. And click next. Once you have chosen the place, we can now go to the next step. Step 6, which is to edit your logo. So to edit your logo, firstly we need to pick a design. So to pick a design, let's go here, and scroll down. Here we need to pick a design. Just pick a design that you want to edit. I am going to pick this. And click. Once you click it, you get this page. This is the place where we're going to edit our logo. So in order to edit your logo, secondly, you need to choose an element to edit. So to choose, let's see what are all the elements that you can edit. So these are the elements you can edit. 1 name, 2 font, 3 color, 4 icon, 5 layout. What if you want to change the icon from this design? So to do that, let's click here. Now just click the drop down and select your category. Finally, to change the icon, just click the icon that you need. I am going to click this. As soon as you click, you can see that the icon has changed. In the same way, you can change any element from your design according to your need. This is how you can edit your logo. We have successfully edited our logo. Once you're satisfied with design, we can go to next step. Step 7, which is to download your logo. So to download your logo, let's click next. Now we get this page. In order to download your logo, just click download logo. As soon as you click here, you will get into this section with the message. Your logo package and design files have been sent to your mail address. This means your logo making process is successfully completed. Next, let's check and verify whether we have received our logo package. Now go to your mail inbox and click update. Here, we can see the mail from Hatchful. Let's open the mail and click the download button. Once you click, your file will be downloaded. We have successfully downloaded our logo. Let's go to the place where the file is downloaded. Here we can see the zipped file. Now right click and extract all files. As soon as you extract, you can see all files. Now you can use them in different social media. So, that's it guys. This is how easily you can make your own logo. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Kindly press the bell icon to get instant notification.